Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Gregory, and today I want to show you how to use an incredible resource called BrainPop Junior. If you go to your web browser and just type in brainpopjr.com, then this incredible resource that you see should pop right up for you. BrainPop Junior has so many different things to offer you, and I'm going to walk through some of those with you. But first of all, I need you to set up your account in BrainPop Junior. There is a button at the top that says Enter Code. You just click on that button, and if you are in my kindergarten class, you will type in Gregory, capital K, 5, and hit Submit. If you are one of my first graders, you will type in Gregory, the number 1, ST, and then hit Submit. So once you submit, it's going to bring you in and you need to put in your username. I would use the same information that you use to access Canvas, so that way you won't have too many passwords to remember. But I'm going to log in as a student that I had set up. This is my daughter. So I'm going to log in now. But for you to sign up, you would just click that Sign Up Now button. And excuse my puppy barking in the background. Okay, so now you come to this screen and it says My BrainPop, and if you click on My BrainPop, it would just say, hi, you just created a personal account to BrainPop, all right? And it'll give you different things that you can look at later. But for now, I'm going to go back, and here's the main screen. In BrainPop, if you've never been on this before, it's really neat. You have all these different content area buttons that you can click on to find various videos and activities under certain topics. So if I'm interested in something in science, I could click the science button and it pulls up some topics for you. Or you can go scroll up a little bit and it says see all science movies. Okay, I'm going to look at the one on butterflies. So I just click that. And here it shows you the topic you went under, or the subject area you went under, the main topic, and then this is the specific video that you want to watch. If you notice here, we have a robot here and he says play movie. You can click right on those words, or you can go down here and click movie size to enlarge the screen, and then click play movie. All right, so I'm going to start it just for a little bit to show you what it does.
Check it out. It's a butterfly.
Okay, so that is Annie, and then her robot friend's name is Moby, and those are the two characters you will see on every BrainPop Junior video that you watch. Now, I was able to pause that video. You can also back up if you'd like to. It'll back up a slide or fast forward a slide. So now I'm going to hit my escape button to get it back to the smaller view, and I want to show you some other features. Right here is a notepad, and as Annie is talking, some notes will pop up here. Sometimes it'll be a guiding question that she's going to talk about. A lot of other cool features is the buttons down at the bottom. There's a game button. The games change from video to video, but if you click on that, this particular one is a puzzle, and it says which kind of butterfly migrates, and it'll read it to you, I'm sorry.
Which kind of butterfly migrates thousands of miles to Mexico every year?
So then you just hit play and you can select the puzzle that you want. And as you can see, as you move your mouse over, your cursor over certain areas, it'll read it to you.
Easy.
That means that's the easy puzzle.
Hard.
That's the hard puzzle. So you just click on it and you can go through those games. If you decide you want to go back and you're like, oh, I'm not going to do a puzzle right now, you can just click on the movie at the top. And it takes you back to the main screen that has to do with all the activities under butterflies. And then you have an activity button. You can go through there.
Activity page.
And this particular one says make a mobile that shows a butterfly's life cycle. And then you hit the arrow and you can actually print this out. Okay, there's the print button there. You can print this out from home and do that activity if you would like. And sometimes I will assign these activities to you, specific ones. We also have Belly Up, which is real funny.
Belly Up.
It's a comic strip note that shows you a cute little, funny little joke in there with these two fish characters. Papa Joke.
Papa Joke.
It'll have something to do with the video that you're watching. It makes a little silly joke. Word wall. It'll show 5 main vocabulary words from that video. And if you hover over the card, let me show you what it does.
Pupa.
And if you click on the card,
The stage of an insect's life between a larva and an adult, also known as a chrysalis.
okay, so obviously it reads the definition to you. I want to go back
Butterflies.
to the other activities. I click on butterflies again. There are some other extension lesson ideas. There's a draw about it activity, write about it, read about it, talk about it. So all kinds of activities there. So when you're in Canvas and I give you a particular video that I want you to watch, I may tell you, complete the write about it activity under butterflies. So this is what I mean, because every video will have write about it, read about it. It'll have all of these features here. So just go to the video that I refer to and click on any of those things that I've assigned to you. If I haven't assigned it to you, please feel free to go ahead and do them just for extra practice and fun. There's also quizzes. It's called a hard quiz and an easy quiz. You go through there and there's multiple choice questions and answers, and you just click on those and it will tell you right away if you are correct or not. So feel free to do those also. So I hope this has been helpful, and what I would love for you to do whenever you finish this video is to please go into brainpopjunior.com and do the enter code. And remember, if you are in my kindergarten class, it is Gregory K5, and if you are one of my first graders, it is Gregory 1ST, and then set up an account for yourself. Also, I would probably use your Canvas login information again, okay, so you don't have so much to remember. And then go in there and play, and then send me a screenshot of the video that you watched and maybe something fun that you did within that video, one of the activities at the bottom. Or just write it in your journal and send me a picture of that. All right, I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to you guys learning a lot from Annie and Moby.